Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1, River of Phish. 2 separate spear phishing campaigns targeted Russian and Belarusian nonprofit organizations, independent media, international NGOs, and U.S. think tank officials. The attacks, dubbed River of Phish and Cold Wastrel, used highly tailored social engineering tactics to trick victims into clicking on links or providing credentials. River of Phish involved using Proton Mail accounts impersonating familiar organizations, while Cold Wastrel used lookalike domains for credential harvesting. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. Ravi Lakshmanan. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, has warned that threat actors are exploiting a legacy Cisco Smart Install feature to access sensitive data. CISA also highlighted the use of weak password types on Cisco network devices, making them vulnerable to password cracking attacks. To mitigate these risks, CISA recommends using Type 8 password protection for all Cisco devices and implementing additional security best practices, such as using strong hashing algorithms, avoiding password reuse, and assigning complex passwords. Cyber news number 3, Mark Solomon. After a cybersecurity incident, organizations should conduct a thorough post-incident activities assessment to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. This includes gathering and preserving evidence, analyzing the root cause of the incident, and identifying the impact on data and systems. Additionally, organizations should perform a comprehensive security controls review to determine if existing controls were ineffective or bypassed during the incident. A risk-based approach should be taken to prioritize remediation efforts, focusing on high-risk areas first. Incident response planning should also be reviewed and updated to ensure effective handling of future incidents. Cyber news number 4. Research uncovers weaknesses in Sonos smart speakers, allowing eavesdropping. Cybersecurity researchers at NCC Group discovered vulnerabilities in Sonos smart speakers that could allow malicious actors to eavesdrop on users. The flaws affect devices with versions prior to S2, release 15.9, and S1 release 11.12, shipped in October and November 2023. One vulnerability allows remote attackers to obtain covert audio capture by means of an over-the-air attack, while another exploits the secure boot process to breach Era 100 devices. The researchers emphasize the importance of validating OEM components and performing threat modeling to ensure product security. Cyber news number 5. Ravi Lakshmanan dark web / data breach. A 27-year-old Russian national, Georgy Kavjaradze, was sentenced to over 3 years in prison for peddling financial information, login credentials, and PII on the now-defunct dark web marketplace Slilpi. He pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit bank fraud and wire fraud, and has been ordered to pay $1.2 million in restitution. Kavjaradze listed over 626,100 stolen login credentials for sale and sold over 297,300 of them between July 2016 and May 2021. Resulting in fraudulent transactions worth $1.2 million. He made an estimated $200,000 in illegal profits and was charged with various fraud-related crimes before being extradited to the U.S. to face charges. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe for more updates.